unboxing of the RUKO F11 GIM. Gotta excuse the box because customs importation tore the box when they ultimately inspect the item. First of all, let's see the box. Have some information on it. The QR codes for the app that you will be using, both for Apple phones and Android phones, but your phone have to be 5G. Warning labels, as you can see, it's in English and a few other languages that I don't understand, maybe Mandarin. Oh, and also a warning for choking hazard. So it's not suitable for children under 3. Alright, let's put this one side. First of all, it comes in a nice Ziploc case, which customs damage. As usual, this is typical Guyanese customs. Have no regards to anything. See, put this one side. It comes in a nice semi-hard shell, nice carrying case, PVC rubber handle, let's see what's inside. Nice foam cover. There's a chemical scent, so when you're unboxing, you can open in a well-ventilated area. Accessory pouch. Again, it have a card with the QR codes for Android system, Apple OS, and a video guide. It gives you a quick start, read the instructions, calibration, connection of the remote. It also gives you problems and solutions that may arise. You have a little box, label blade. The manual, it's in English. Gives you the controller functions, a diagram of the drone, how to assemble the propellers, to have intelligent battery, charging, controller operations, compass calibration, waypoint flying instructions, product function profiles, and again they have the common problems and solution troubleshooting table. They have an indicator for the different color of lights that you can use to know exactly what is going on with the drone. Put this one side. Silica, don't eat. This is for kids, right? Don't eat. There's a little bag. Here, let's see what's inside. Yeah, it's a micro USB charging cable. Put this one side for now. In terms of the blades, again, we have an X micro USB cable. Guess one is for the battery, one is for the drone. Sorry, the remote. There's blades, extra blades, I assume. And they're labeled at the bottom, A and B, so you would know exactly where they're assigned to. Oh, so next little bag, an Allen key and some spare screws. Let's lay this out here. Keep the packaging for later. Okay, that's the accessory kit. Now we have the nice soft sponge foam for this one side. Well, we have the drone, the remote, and the battery. Apparently for the drone, Customs already opened it and peel it off for me. Chinese Customs again. They have to check it as though it is theirs. So it's unfoldable. Sorry, you gotta fold out the upper arms first. Fold out the upper arms. This was designed with sensors, but apparently they don't have all the sensors. The gimbal cover. There's this one side. We got the spare battery. Actually, inside of the case is a nice molded foam. It's a hollow molded foam. Control. They actually left on the plastic for me. Oh, I won't be able to say if this is in shipping or if it's customs. The remote seems opened. Nice foldable handle, grip, phone holder, antenna. Dedicated video function, dedicated still photos function, right hand side to adjust the angle of the camera, left hand to zoom. It's not an LCD display, as you can see. Charged. We got normal mode, GPS mode, photos, video, return home. So I guess this is to change the sport mode. Some foam protectors on the joystick. Feels free. That's basically everything that comes with the drone. In some countries, you do need a permit, because in Guyana you need a permit to fly and operate. And basically everything, you get one battery, spare battery, one on the drone. As you can see, it's detachable. It's 11.1 volts, 2 and 500 milliamp. and this charged with a regular phone charger head, or you can plug it into your computer. Turn this off for now. Gimbal protector cover. You need to peel the sticker. Let me get something to peel the sticker. Let's put the remote here, battery here, put back the phone handles. This is removable cardboard to protect the props. Get rid of this. The drone itself is actually light, but the battery is what carried the weight. And it's put together. Easy to slide in and out. It's actually similar to the F11 and the F11 Pro, except for the gimbal. And they say the fisheye. So here we remove the sticker. Here you go. Stick this here. Remove the latch. Take your time with the gimbal because there's a little clip at the top here that you need to remove. It's an f2.15 100 degrees full HD Wi-Fi camera. As you can see, the gimbal got a bit of turn to it, freedom to move. Avoid touching this. This is one of the parts that you need to protect the most on the drone. Let's just power it up, see what goes on. Comes 3/4 of the way, 75% charge. As you can see, the lights light up. This is out of the box. And you need to place this on a level surface so that the gimbal can calibrate itself to what it determines as level. Now, so this is basically it for the unboxing. In a future video, oops, let me put on back the gimbal protector. You need to keep this gimbal protector because if they damage the gimbal, then you no longer get the stabilization that you need. It's nice. Compared to the F11, it's nice and handy. Battery. The remote closes down back. And this drone is set to have a range of over 4,000 feet. At least that's the claim. In the future video, we'll do the test flights. So for now, we'll just pack this one up. Oh, I forgot to show you that there's a memory card slot on the drone for you to insert your memory card, and it would record in 4K video on the memory card directly, but I think maybe 1080p on your phone. So it records both places. It records both on the phone and on the drone itself in the memory card. It's a nice, small, compact, portable. The only thing is that the difference with this and the F11 carrying case is that there's still a bit of movement around when you're carrying it, so maybe you might need a thicker foam or something to hold it down to protect the blades. That's basically it for the F11, the RUKO F11 GIM. The thing about it is that after purchasing this drone, then I noticed that there is a F11 GIM 2, which have a longer range of 3 kilometers. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.